In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Apple Pay on iPhone. By the end, you will be ready to make quick payments with your phone. To start, you need a compatible iPhone running the latest version of iOS. If your phone updates automatically, you are probably set already. On screen, you should see the standard home layout with all your apps, nothing special yet. You also need to be signed in with your Apple account on this iPhone. As a quick check, when you open the Settings app, your account name or sign-in prompt appears right at the top. If you are already signed in, the wallet and Apple Pay options inside Settings will work correctly in the background. Make sure you have Face ID, Touch ID, or at least a passcode enabled. Apple Pay will use these to confirm it is really you when you pay. When one of these is turned on, you will already have used it to unlock your iPhone or download apps, so it should feel familiar during payments. You also need an eligible debit or credit card from a participating bank or card issuer. If your bank supports Apple Pay, they usually mention it on their website or app. Most major banks do, and you can add more than one card later if you like. Now open the Wallet app. Look for the icon that shows a stack of different colored cards. When it opens, you might see an empty screen if you have never added cards before, or you might see other passes like boarding passes or tickets. Next, tap the Add Card button, the plus sign you see in the top right corner. This opens the Apple Pay setup view, with a clear title at the top and a short description about adding cards to Apple Pay. Here, choose debit or credit card. The screen will usually highlight this option near the top, with other options like transit or store cards further down. Once you select it, you will move to a screen that activates the camera. Hold your card near the iPhone to scan it, or tap Enter Card Details manually. When you scan, the camera frame highlights the card number and expiry date automatically. Typing manually is useful if the card is worn or the numbers are not reading clearly. From there, follow the on-screen instructions. These usually ask you to confirm the card number, expiry date, and the 3-digit security code. You might also see a term screen that you need to read and tap Agree to continue. Next, verify your card with your bank or card issuer. This may be done by text message, email, your bank app, or a phone call. Often you can choose between these methods on a single screen, and once you pick one, a short code arrives that you enter right away. Once verification is complete, your card is ready to use with Apple Pay. You will see your card appear in the Wallet app with a small Apple Pay logo, ready for contactless and in-app payments. You have now set up Apple Pay on your iPhone with your first card, so give this video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe if you want more straightforward iPhone guides.